Complete kit. This locking hub service kit includes all seals and retainers necessary for a proper hub repair. Thoroughly tested. Components have undergone rigorous material testing and inspection to ensure reliability. Smart solution. Allows you to restore 4WD operation after original locking hub fails. Trustworthy quality. Backed by team of designers and engineers in the United States. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This locking hub service kit gives you all the necessary components for a complete and convenient locking hub repair for specific vehicle years, makes and models. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. The kit's basic items are a paper gasket and an O-ring. Also included are replacement T27 bolts and an extra O-ring. Everything fits perfectly with my 2008 F350 locking hubs. The price, which I still consider high, is much lower than elsewhere, and the 2-day shipping was great.